My name is N.K. Mishra. In earlier two videos, I had explained about the financial market, basic information about the investments. This video has been prepared by our faculty members, Sri P.K. Bose, SBI AGM retired, Sri A.K. Sinha, SBI AGM retired, and Sri U.K. Chaudhary, manager, SBI retired. This video is very useful for you all, either as a investor or as a counselor or involving yourself in the financial market in various positions. This video contains the details of all the things which is required in this section, and it is very wide video. In each video, the time schedule is below 15 minutes so that you can go through it. In the video, we will show you the various points. Now, the points are other points which we are going to discuss is म्यूचुअल फंड. तो म्यूचुअल फंड है. आफ्टर दैट जो है म्यूचुअल फंड फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर में क्या काम करता है. अगेन वी हैव डिस्कस द इंडेक्स. व्हाट इज इंडेक्स? तो इंडेक्स वी हैव कवर्ड एंड होप यू आर एबल टू read out our video slides in a very comfortable manner. Friends, we have discussed the meaning of securities. What is the security? And the security, I will like to tell you that a security is a certificate or financial instrument that has monetary value and can be traded. As per the Securities Context Regulation Act SCRA 1956, the security includes instruments such as shares, bonds, other marketable securities, or any corporate company, government securities, derivatives of security, or any other instrument. So this is the meaning of the security. Again, we have discussed the function of security market. The security market function is main is the selling and purchasing of the security. What we have discussed. And now there are so many questions also. What are the regulators in financial market? Regulators in financial markets are one minute.
Second slide. Second slide.
Sorry for disturbance. Sorry, very sorry. Security. Now, regulators are who are the regulators in financial market? Are who regulates the security market? So, the Department of Economic Affairs, DEA, Reserve Bank of India, RBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. So these are the regulatory body. Now the role of SEBI. SEBI role is the Securities and Exchange Board of India. SEBI is the regulatory authority in India established under the Section 3 of the SEBI Act 1992. This act empowers SEBI for a protection of interest of investor and security, promoting the developments of the securities market, regulating the securities market. Its jurisdiction covers the corporates etc. Again, I will like to tell you the security SEBI exercises its regulatory power for regulating the business in stock exchange and other security markets, registering the regulating the working of stock brokers and sub-brokers, promoting and regulating self-regulatory organizations, SRO, which are subsidiaries of Stock Exchange, vice National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange, prohibiting fraudulent and unfair trade practices, collecting information, collecting information, undertaking inspection, conducting inquiries and audits of the stock exchange intermediaries, self-regulatory organization, mutual fund, and other persons associated with the security market. So these are the main things which is being done by the our SEBI. Another participants in the security markets are we have explained in this video. Again, we have explained the transaction through an intermediary. Again, we have discussed the necessity to transact through an intermediary. Means you can involve yourself in such market and other things like that. Again, we have discussed the in the slides number 2.10. I am attracting you. Okay, what are the segment of security market? The segment of security market are security market has two interdependent segments: the primary new issue market and the secondary market. The primary market provides the channel for sale or new security, while the secondary market deals in security previously issued. Now, I will discuss the primary market. So, what is the primary market? The primary market is a channel through which new securities are sold. And again, what are the role of primary market? You all know that it provides the opportunity to government as well as the corporate to raise sources by issuing security bond shares to promote their projects and discharging some obligations. They issue the security at face value or at a discount premium, or their security may take a variety of forms such as equity, debt, etc. They may issue the securities at domestic or in the international market. So this is a very big issue like that. When we will discuss the one chapter by other like that, then we will discuss the how the this money market moves like that. So now the important thing that you must know that what is the face value of shares and debentures. Again, you must know how is the nature of face value differs for different type of security. Again, you will discuss the issue of shares, how the public issue is taking place, why do companies needs to issue shares to the public, like that we will discuss, and we have discussed in these slides also. The different kinds of issues are also there. The different kind of issue can be classified as a public rights issue, preferential issue, also known as private placement, while public and rights issues involve a detailed procedure. Private placement or preferential issues are relatively simpler. What is an initial public offer? IPO. In general terms, we are saying for initial public offer, IPO is coming. It is a process whereby an unlisted company sells new or existing securities and offer them to the public for the first time. This paves way for listing and trading of the issuer's securities. So this is the now we will discuss the public offering further issue. Again, we will discuss what is meant by right issue. The right issue is an invitation to the existing shareholders to buy additional new shares in the company. The rights are normally offered in a particular ration or to the very sorry. The rights are normally offered in a particular ratio to the number of securities held prior to the issue. This route is best suited for companies who would like to raise capital without diluting stake of its existing shareholders. So this is the classification of issue. If we have tried to present in the chart, this is the issue: public issue, right issue, preferential issue. Initial public offer, fresh issue, offer for sale. Further public offering, fresh issue, offer issue. This is the now the what is meant by issue price. Moreover, what is meant for capitalization? What is difference between the public issue and private issue? All these things you must know while going in deep to study all these things like that. And what is the company who involved in the market like that. So this is all about that. Again, how the price of security determined by the issuer before selling it under initial public offer. Who decide the price of an issue? On this also deep study is required. Some detail we have given in this video. As I told you that my one video covers only maximum for the 14 to 15 minutes. We cannot discuss each and every point, but we hope that whatever PPT we have given to you will be quite useful for you people. Thanks a lot. We will meet in the other video, and this will continue like that. Again, we are requesting you to please go through the whatever available information is on the video. Thereafter, you contact us on our email ID, cell number for further, or you can while studying on the online, we will discuss other things also, and you can make your career in this field. Thanks a lot.